While we're in the Start menu, we can click on Computer to open up a program called Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer allows you to browse all the information and files that are stored on your computer. The hard disk drives contain all the information that is saved on your computer itself, while the devices with removable storage contain information that can then be removed and transported to a different computer. Devices with removable storage include CDs, DVDs, and USB sticks. We can close this window by clicking on the X at the top right-hand corner. We can also access Windows Explorer using the icon on the taskbar. We simply click once using the left button on the mouse, and this will open up Windows Explorer. This is where we can access all our drives through the link for Computer, as well as our libraries, where we can find the documents we've saved, as well as music and pictures. Next, let's look at how to log on to the Internet. You can access the World Wide Web by using programs known as web browsers. There are several different types of browsers. These include Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Safari. Most web browsers work in a similar way. Let's try using Internet Explorer. You can open Internet Explorer, if it's on your desktop, by simply double-clicking the icon with the left button of your mouse. Internet Explorer is also found on the taskbar. You can simply click it once with the left button of your mouse, and Internet Explorer will launch. Once Internet Explorer launches, you'll be taken through to what's called a home page. This is a page that you will choose to be the first page you see each time you open the web browser. At ECU, the home page is always set to www.ecu.edu.au, which is the web address for ECU's website. On your home computer, you can change your home page to whatever you'd like. Perhaps a news website, your email account, or any other page that you go to frequently. You can do this simply by clicking on the arrow next to the home icon here and following the prompts. At the top of the browser, you'll see a bar known as the address bar. This is where you can type the web address of any website and then be taken directly to that site. For example, if we want to go to Google's homepage, we can type in the address here, if we know it. Press Enter, and we'll be taken through to that website. Let's try that now. We can click once here and delete the current address using the backspace key on our keyboard. We can then type in the address for Google's homepage: www.google.com, and then press Enter on our keyboard. This takes us through to the homepage for Google, which is a well-known search engine. Once we're already on a website, we can add it to what's called a Favorites menu. This means that instead of having to remember and type in a web address every single time we want to go to a page, we can simply find the icon for that page, click on it on the Favorites menu, and be taken directly there. It's a great way to save time. Let's try adding Google to our Favorites menu. We click once on the Favorites button, and this opens up our Favorites menu. We can then click on Add to Favorites. This will open up a window where we can confirm that we do want to add Google to our favorites. We click Add to make this happen. Once this is done, we can click on Favorites, scroll down to the bottom of the menu, and we can see the new website that we've added. Clicking on this icon will take us directly to the page we've saved. If we're on another website and we'd like to return to our home page, we can simply click on the Home icon, located along the top of the web browser. Clicking once on this icon will return us back to our home page. If we then decide that we'd like to go back to a website we've saved as a favourite, we can return back up to our Favorites menu, click on the link for Favorites, choose the website that we'd like to go to, and click on it to return to that page. If you need to look at another website, but you'd like to keep your current page open, you can use a new tab. Simply click here, and a new browser tab will open up. You can then type in the address of another website that you'd like to go to. For example, ECU's homepage. If you'd like to return to the page you were on before, you can simply click on that tab and you'll be returned to the other page. You can alternate between tabs as many times as you like, and you can have several tabs open at once. If you need to use the internet to find information, you can start off using the search bar at the top right-hand corner of the browser. This search bar uses a search engine to scour the internet for results that will match the keyword that you type in. This browser uses the Bing search engine, which is one of many search engines, such as Yahoo Search and the world's most popular search engine, Google. Let's try searching for something. For example, if we need information on the Enlightenment, we can simply click once in the search bar, type in our keywords, the Enlightenment, press enter on our keyboard, and this will bring up the best results that the Bing search engine can find. Google is the world's most frequently used search engine. If we type in www.google.com in our address bar and press enter, this will bring us to the home page for the Google search engine. You can search information through Google in the same way that you use the search bar. If we use our keywords from the previous example, we can type in the Enlightenment, press enter, and it will give us these results. With Google, you can search not only web pages, but also images, maps, videos through YouTube, current news and information, and much more. If your initial Google search doesn't give you the results you're looking for, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the link for Advanced Search. Advanced Search gives you the ability to narrow your search criteria, giving you more focused results. You can change what you're searching for, and you can also narrow your results by choosing which language you'd like results in, or which region you'd like results from. You can also search information by the time it was last updated. This way, you can make sure you're getting the most current information. Another useful resource that Google offers is Google Scholar. You can access this by clicking on the More tab at the top of the page. On the drop-down menu, select Even More. Once on this page, scroll down to the bottom. In the Specialized Search section, you will see Google Scholar. Clicking on this will take you through to the Google Scholar search bar. This is a specialized search that allows you to search peer-reviewed journal articles and other academic papers and books. This can be a useful resource for your assignments. You can also search academic articles, papers, and books by using the ECU Library 1 search, which you can learn about in other workshops.